In this video, we're going to show you how to stake Ethereum 2.0 on Binance. For more information or for a written step-by-step guide, please check out everybethelps.io. First up, a little bit about what ETH 2.0 staking is and how it works. Staking in Ethereum 2.0 is the process where users participate as validators in the network, and they do this by locking up or staking their ETH as a form of collateral. And the validators are then rewarded for their service to the network, similar to earning interest. And there's a number of ways that you can get involved in Ethereum 2.0 staking, and this will obviously vary depending on your requirements, your situation or knowledge. And depending on your situation, one way that you can stake and earn some passive income is using Binance. When you stake your ETH on Binance, in exchange for your staked ETH, Binance gives you BETH as a 1-to-1 ratio. These tokens will represent your stake in the new Ethereum network. Binance then distributes staking rewards daily in BETH, allowing users to accumulate more tokens and further their participation in the Ethereum network. So what is BETH? Well, Binance BETH on Ethereum, also known as BETH, is a tokenized version of staked Ether or ETH on the Binance platform. And it was created to allow users to stake Ether in anticipation of the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, without looking up their Ether directly in the Ethereum network. Instead, users stake their Ether on Binance, and in return they receive BETH tokens. The number of BETH tokens received was equivalent to that of Ether tokens staked. And the rates that you'll receive for staking can change daily, depending on the staking volume and the activities on the Ethereum network. For example, after the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, also known as the merge, the APR for BETH rewards was increased from 4% to 4.5%. So let's jump in and take a look at how we can stake our Ethereum on Binance. And the first place that we're going to need to start is Binance. If you don't already have an account, I'll put a link in the summary that will get you some money off your trading fees. If this is a new account, you're also going to need to have completed all the necessary security checks and verifications too. Now if we just head across to our wallet from the top of the screen, then Fiat and Spot. In your wallet, you're obviously going to need to have some Ethereum to stake. And if, like me, you don't hold any in your Binance account, you can deposit it or you can trade. And as you can see, there's lots of spot markets to trade from. But in this example, I've currently got some USDT on Binance. And I'm going to trade that for Ethereum so I can show you as an example. Once your trade has been filled and your Ethereum is then showing up in your Fiat and Spot account, you can stake it within Binance. So let's head across to Earn from the top of the page, then ETH Staking. From here, you can earn passive rewards with APRs at around 4.46%. And it provides some information around ETH staking and the process of staking your ETH, where, as I said earlier, you're going to get BETH as a tokenized representation of your staked ETH. You'll then receive on-chain rewards which will be distributed in the form of BETH, and you can redeem your BETH to ETH on a 1-to-1 basis. So let's go ahead and stake our ETH now. And from the Ethereum staking pop-up, you can enter your stake amount, which you can either manually enter in or you can choose max to stake all, which is what I'm going to do. Underneath it then shows the value in BETH, and there's some limits showing you here in terms of daily limits and staking quotas. And as it states here, when your staking is successful, BETH will be distributed to your Spot account, and your staking rewards will be in BETH again to your Spot account. And just note that before you go ahead, a 5% commission fee will be charged. And it then shows a summary with your stake date, value date, and when the interest distribution date is. When you're happy, you can go ahead and stake now. But you'll then need to confirm that you've read the information that's presented in relation to not being able to unstake immediately, and you'll need to submit a redeem request. That you understand the risks and limitations and agree to the Binance ETH 2.0 staking service agreement. And if we scroll down, you'll see that I've now successfully staked and my BETH will now be distributed to my Spot account, which we're going to look at the moment. But first, let's take a look at the stake records. From here you can see the date, stake, the token that's distributed, and the amount and its status. If we head across to Wallet from the top of the screen again, and Fiat and Spot, then search for BETH. Here we can now see that we have our BETH tokens, which represent our staked ETH. Now you might have seen earlier that there are some notices and information about wrapped BETH. Well, if we head back to ETH staking and then wrapped BETH. Wrapped Beacon ETH, or WBETH, is a wrapped version of BETH. And each WBETH token equates to one BETH token, representing one staked ETH on the Ethereum network. The difference with WBETH is that it also includes all of the staking rewards that are accrued by a corresponding BETH token since a certain point in time. Specifically when WBETH's conversion rate was initialized at 1:1 on April 27, 2023. WBETH was created to offer liquidity while earning staking rewards from Ethereum. This means that you can still participate in other decentralized finance or DeFi applications while your Ethereum tokens are staked and accruing rewards. Wrapping BETH into WBETH comes with several benefits. First, it allows you to transfer your staked ETH to other platforms or self-custodied wallets on the blockchain, including Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain, and this means you're not confined to having to keep your staked ETH within Binance. Another advantage is that even when the WBETH is held in your personal wallet outside of Binance, it does continue to generate staking rewards, and therefore it could potentially increase its value over time. WBETH can also be utilised to earn additional yield through various decentralised finance or DeFi protocols. This includes strategies like yield farming of vaults, which results in a potential double yield scenario. To wrap your BETH, choose the Wrap tab over on the right-hand side of the screen, where it then shows the conversion from BETH to Wrap BETH. And you can then enter in the amount or choose max. Agree to the service agreement and choose to wrap. And again, you're going to need to agree that you understand the terms, which include understanding the rate is subject to change daily, and that you understand that when you trade or transfer WBETH to another person, they then have the right to unwrap the WBETH to BETH and then redeem it as ETH. When you're happy, you can confirm. And when you later want to unwrap your BETH, you can choose the Unwrap tab here, following the same process of entering in an amount and confirming that you want to unwrap. Then finally, if you want to redeem your rewards, you can do this from the Earn page again. Then choose ETH 2.0 staking. And from the top of the screen, you'll see the option to redeem. Now, because my tokens are still wrapped, I don't have any unwrapped BETH tokens to redeem. However, if you do, you can go ahead and enter the amount or choose max. Well, your tokens will then be distributed back into ETH. And just note that there will be 4 days before you receive the ETH in your spot wallet, and that any limits will also apply. That completes how you can stake your Ethereum 2.0 on Binance. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to our website at everybithelps.io for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.